Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to sign up for Instacart as a driver. So, in order to do this, simply open any browser on your mobile phone, go to the search bar, type in Instacart Shopper and navigate to shoppers.instacart.com. After you navigate to this page, click on the sign up button at the top right. Now, enter your first name, last name, email, phone number and zip code. Now, click on create account and this is going to instantly create your new account. Now, on the next page, you'll have to basically provide personal information including your name and phone number, agree to Instacart's terms and conditions and privacy policy. Also, Instacart offers two types of shopper roles. Full service shopper that is shop and deliver orders and that requires a vehicle. And in-store shopper, shop orders for pickup, no vehicle required and select the role that best fits your preferences and availability and choose continue. Then, to verify your identity and eligibility, upload a valid driver license, provide your social security number that is SSN for background checks, and consent to a background check which typically takes a few days to process. After completing the online application, download the Instacart Shopper app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store and log in with the account credentials you created during the sign-up process. Once you logged into the app, follow the in-app instructions to complete your onboarding. This may include setting up payment information and reviewing Instacart's policies and procedures. After onboarding, you'll be ready to start accepting orders and browse available order batches in your area and select those that fits your schedules and preferences. So, that's the simple way through which you can do this. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.